There is a growing trend in starting an EV charging business, driven by the increasing demand for electric vehicles and supportive government policies. The market is experiencing significant growth, with opportunities in commercial, residential, and public-private partnerships. The global EV charging market is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of around 28% through 2030. Additionally, the emergence of mobile EV charging businesses offers new avenues for entrepreneurs. The industry is also witnessing a surge in startups and investment activities, highlighting its potential for profitability and innovation. What are the main challenges in starting an EV charging business? Starting an EV charging business involves several challenges: high costs and low ROI. The initial costs for hardware and installation are significant, and the return on investment can be low in the short term due to limited usage and uptake. Infrastructure and technical challenges. Installing chargers, especially level 3, requires specialized infrastructure and can lead to high electricity usage. Regulatory and compliance issues. Navigating varying regulations and standards across different regions can be complex. Market variability and competition. EV adoption rates vary, leading to uncertain market conditions and increased competition. What financing options are available for businesses to install EV chargers? Businesses looking to install EV chargers have several financing options available. Government incentives. Federal, state, and local programs offer tax credits, rebates, and grants to offset installation costs. For example, the federal government offers a tax credit of up to 30% of the installation cost, capped at $1,000. Utility programs. Many utility companies provide rebates and incentives for installing EV chargers, which can significantly reduce upfront costs. Private financing. Options such as loans or leasing programs offer flexible repayment terms and may include additional services like maintenance support. Specialized lenders. Organizations like MI Saves provide better interest rates for clean energy projects, including EV charging stations. What incentives are available through the National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program? The National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program offers several incentives to support the deployment of EV charging stations. Funding for project costs. NEVI provides up to 80% funding for eligible project costs, including acquisition, installation, and network connection of EV charging stations, as well as their operation and maintenance. Strategic deployment. The program allocates $5 billion over 5 years to establish an interconnected national network of EV chargers along highway corridors, enhancing accessibility and reliability. Additional grants. 10% of NEVI funding is set aside annually for grants to assist states and localities in deploying EV charging infrastructure. Several months ago, I reported on Iona, a charging company backed by at least 8 automakers. Iona aims to establish a network of at least 30,000 high-powered EV chargers across North America by 2030. Based on the latest information available, here's the current status of Iona charging stations. Iona has recently broken ground on its first Rechargery DC fast charging station in Apex, North Carolina, near the company's headquarters. The inaugural station will feature 10 covered parking bays protected from the elements, DC fast chargers rated up to 400 kilowatts of power, support for both NACS and CCS1 charging standards, an indoor driver's lounge with amenities like bathrooms, coffee service, food, beverage, Wi-Fi, and outdoor and pet-friendly amenities. The increase in growing demand of EV vehicles, combined with other growing financial subsidies, is making the EV charging industry a viable startup opportunity for many investors. What is your take on this industry? Is it a fad or growth opportunity? Let me know in the comments below. If you like these kinds of reports, please select the subscribe and like buttons to help grow the channel. See you next time on I Want That.